to Tech TV.1. I'm your host, Asim, and today we're shining a light on a common problem that's easy to fix, a blinking LED light that's gone haywire. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to repair a blinking LED light and get it shining bright again. So let's dive in and get started.